Procrastination, the eternal enemy of humanity. For thousands of years humans have been struggling with this curse. Even Aristotle and Plato wrote about this illogical and frustrating behavior, known in ancient Greece as acrasia. But don't worry, this old man has found the solution. The crucial mistake you whippersnappers make is trying to fight procrastination. Instead, you must embrace it. This concept is called weaponized procrastination, kiddos. But how does one learn this power? It is easy, young lads. Just follow these simple steps, and you will be procrastinating your way towards prosperity. But how does weaponized procrastination work? It's simple. Procrastinating typically involves putting off important work to do something useless like surfing the internet. The solution is to instead pile your schedule with obligations and tasks. The result is that even when you are procrastinating your more important obligations, you are still getting valuable work done, as opposed to simply being a couch potato. Most procrastinators try to do the opposite. They shed responsibilities, claiming they need to focus on their work. But we all know that we just end up doing nothing instead. A key component in this strategy is what is known as Parkinson's law. Work expands to fill the time available. If you know you have plenty of time to finish a task, you will put it off. An example: if your options are to work on a school project or fuck around online, and you have plenty of time before the deadline, you will fuck around online and then find yourself staying up until 3 a.m. to try and finish on time a few weeks later. Oh no. On the other hand, if you also have assigned yourself the tasks of exercising, cleaning your apartment, learning a new language, or something else, you will do one of those instead. While you are technically procrastinating, you are still being a productive human being, instead of a couch potato. So, instead of trying to free up space in your schedule, fill that bitch up to the max. In summary, weaponized procrastination is all about turning a negative into a positive, just like our good friend Tony Robbins teaches. Bonus advice. Number 1. Social pressure will improve your odds of success. An example for students: suggest starting a study group, not because you give a shit about your classmates, but because it will force you to actually study due to peer pressure, since you are the one who suggested it. Number 2. Enforced deadlines are essential. If you have a non-existent deadline, you will probably never finish, because Parkinson's law will take over, and you will procrastinate until you are dead. This is why people never publish that novel, or take that dream vacation. So sad. Number 3. Set up your environment for success. If you need to work on a project using your computer, but always end up fucking around on social media, consider installing a browser extension to block certain websites during certain times of day. Also consider muting your phone to limit distractions. In conclusion, kiddos, if you follow this advice, you will be on your way to being a pro at procrastinating. Productivity, prosperity, and stress-free deadlines will come to you. but only if you comment below. Stay productive. Productivity Grandpa.